Hello, everyone, and welcome to episode 2 of Java with Janine. Today, we're going to talk about cash. How much should you have in cash? The rule of thumb is about 6 months worth of cash in the bank for emergency purposes. Now, if you're over 59 and a half, all of the money is liquid to you or is available to you. So all of the money in IRAs, 401ks, 403bs, taxable accounts, it's all liquid. So that rule of thumb doesn't really apply. If you have substantial savings, they are available for emergencies. So the cash that is just sitting in cash in a bank account, let's say, or a credit union, is really your emotional cushion. It's very quick cash. There's no tax on it, although if you earn any interest on any cash, that is considered ordinary income and is included on your taxes because the bank or credit union is going to report it with the 1099, believe it or not. So is it worth you leaving so much in cash? Maybe not. If you're worried and you want to have, let's say, a year's worth of income in an income bucket, then we can absolutely do that. And we would put it in a very conservative portfolio so that you don't have the volatility of the normal market. Last year was a very strange market. It turned out very good, but it's still worrisome to some folks that they don't have, that they're worried, especially if they're taking an income, they want to make sure that they get that income for that period of time. So there are methodologies to do that, strategies to do that, and we can certainly do that for clients. Whether you should have 100,000, 200, 300,000 in cash in your bank, probably not the best idea because inflation eats at cash. So you can, in effect, go broke safely by having so much in cash. So the only thing to offset that, or that is successful over time at offsetting inflation and taxes, is having a portfolio where you have an equity exposure to growth. So again, there's nothing wrong with having cash. There are no right or wrong answers in a lot of these financial decisions. It's what's going to work for you, but understanding just how the money situation, the tax situation works, you need to make some decisions that are to your advantage and not give all the money to the bank. So cash is good, but if you have substantial savings, out there with all these different types of accounts, you're probably going to be fine. And if, the portfolio allocation, you want to peel some off to have a different portfolio that's very conservative, we can certainly do that. But in general, you don't necessarily need as much cash available to you as you would think. So hopefully that's helpful. And if you have any questions at all or want to discuss how you're positioned, we're very much open to you giving us a call and having a conversation about how to structure things a little bit differently than we already have done that. So have a great week. Talk to you soon.